This has been good from Bitcoin. This line of support here has held, so that's good. And what's going to happen next? Like I said before, no one knows for sure. And I do anticipate this kind of action where, the price ranges for a bit perhaps, and then it comes back down again before eventually breaking out. I mean, this could happen a lot sooner. I just drew these lines. I mean, this could happen within a month as opposed to over a couple of months. On my other chart, this is kind of playing out as well. We've broken through here. We had a bit of a move down. Like we drew up here, we could have another line of support here. And so I'm just going to draw that tentatively. I'll change the color, make that green. And yeah, we can see if this holds. I mean, we could have another kind of channel, rising channel forming here. And so I'm just going to leave that there for now. Let's see what happens here. We've broken through, so the next move would be to retest this before going up. So let me delete that. A longer term chart, yeah, we still need to really come back into this green channel. Alts have been doing well, and you can see that Bitcoin dominance has fallen, and that's probably why. I mean, if we scan through the charts, privacy coins are doing really, really well. Like Pirate Chain, this is going kind of crazy, and that's a very, very good bullish move. So yeah, that's good to see. What happened in the last cycle was about a month before. Privacy coins went crazy. Darrow, this has gone pretty, well, it's very low down from where it was, but yeah, the price is doing good. Monero had another great pump over the weekend. And alts in general, they are picking up some steam, so let's hope this continues. Let's have a look at those alts that went crazy over the weekend. So this has had its 50% pullback, and so it might pull back a little bit further, but that's a good sign. That's normal market action. When you have like a big green candle like that, it normally pulls back 50%. This hasn't as much, and so we could have a bit more of a pullback from Filecoin before zooming off, but that's good. It hasn't just crashed back down. Let me look at Tau. This is pretty good action as well. This could go either two ways. We've been smashing into this trend line, and as long as it keeps on going up, then that's a good sign. But if it continues to fall down, like if it keeps on hitting it like this, then it's probably going to break down. But I don't see that happening, especially given the strength of the market. Your virtuals, this is looking very much like Tau, and so that's looking good as well. I'm just going to move this red line that I've got here across. So yeah, that's what we're really looking to see with virtuals. I'm going to draw a new support line here. So things are looking good. Let's see what happens when the US wake up, the US markets. And yeah, the US dollar is fallen as well, so that's definitely helped. It's sitting on a bit of support here. I'll just draw that in. Yeah, one thing I wanted to talk about actually was the US government shutdown. I mean, that really that's been one of the biggest reasons for why the markets haven't really moved. Because if you think about it, this chart here really moves the market. USDT. And the reason why it's somewhat flatlined is because the way USDT works is that it buys US treasuries from the government. And then it buys those treasuries and then it prints a bunch of money, and this chart continues to go up. And because over the last few weeks, the US government has been in shutdown, it can't buy any treasury bonds. And so that's why it can't print more money. And that's why the markets haven't really moved as much. So when this government shutdown eventually ends, and I don't really keep track of it, I don't know when it's going to end, hopefully this month. And then, yeah, it's going to be game on. It will be risk on. Everything will start pumping again because Tether can buy more US Treasury bonds, and then it will basically print more money, and that money is going to go into the crypto market. So yeah, things are looking good. We've had a bit of a rough period, and it has coincided directly with the government shutdown. So when that opens up again, risk on.